today I'm going to clean my filter element for my COBB SF air intake, big SF air intake. I'm going to basically take it off, blow it out from the inside out, get all the particles I can off of it. I'm going to soak it with this cleaner for about 15 minutes, rinse it from the inside out, and then recharge it with some of this oil. That'll hold all the particles coming through the intake. Grab them at the filter before it gets into my flow sensor and intake system. So this is a ball and T-handle by Bondus, 5/32. And you can see the ball end, it helps you get into those tight spots. So this is what's used to keep the cover on, and then a 8mm on the clamp to hold the filter element on. Just wanted to show you real quick my little ramp setup. Basically took some scrap wood a while back, cut to the sharp of a degree angle as I could with the saw that I had, screwed them on really well, and then put a little stop that will let me know when I'm fully engaged on the wood safely, so I don't roll off the front. And I can pretty much do this alone if I have to. My wife usually helps me, but it's designed so I can just go ahead and set it up, roll it up. It's nice and safe. And then I did the same thing on this, just stacked more, and that's just my little wheel chock. I put it in the back or the front, wherever I need it, to wedge in the tire to keep it from rolling, keep me safe. And I always use jack stands if I'm going to be messing around under the car. So be safe, and you'll live again another day to keep working on your car. So I have some parts coming in: turbo inlet, charge pipe, and intercooler. When those parts come in, I'm going to inspect and see how much, if any, of this blow-by is coming in to the inlet. Remember when I took it off to install the COBB intake, where it connects at the turbo inlet, there was a little pool of oil there, so we'll check it out in a little bit. I probably won't get those parts for another few weeks, So I'll dig in a little deeper and give kind of a full progress report on this and whether or not it's worth risking, you know, see if it really, you get the gains for it. If not, you know, I'll just go to one that has cans, just to collect it. Little bit of Pennzoil bought a while back. And what I like to do is just send just a little bit of fresh oil down. It just kind of helps get just a tad bit of that dirty stuff as it goes through. That's kind of an old school thing, but it's just something I do. I usually have just a bit left over in a quart. But that's it. All right, I think this guy's done. Move this a little bit. Boom, closed. And put my stop back in place. And that's it. One little drop there. Don't have a towel with me, but that's it. Nothing to replace. Just open the plug, open the valve, and let it drain out. Pretty cool. All right, here's a little close-up of the air oil separator. The two fittings at the bottom are where the inlet, the PCV systems come through, and then the top is where the turbo inlet pulls the vacuum. So I cleaned it out. There was a little bit of foamy oil in there too, so chances are there is some oil down there, but much less than if it was coming straight out. And then the PCB for sure is cleaning the top end there. So we'll see how much, if any, is getting by the charge pipe and getting into my intake. So I'll check out that system really well when the other parts come. But see, it just kind of sits on top of the oil inlet. Just wanted to make sure I let you guys know what I'm using here. I did go order this kit. It comes with 6 quarts of the Motul 530 and the K&N oil filter. And I think it was like $71, and that's pretty close to what I pay over at the local O'Reilly's or wherever I happen to stop in and get my parts. This thing showed up at my door, and I can just do this anytime I want. I really like the way this has kind of its own funnel. Keeps things nice and neat. Even if I didn't have a funnel here, I could probably do that with pretty little or no mess. So just wanted to let you know I purchased that at MAPerformance, and that's where I also got my filter cleaning kit for the COBB filter element. So it got here okay, and so if you're looking for something, that's one option, and I think there's probably every aftermarket parts store will have something similar, but I just want to let you know that I'm trying this out, and it was exactly what I ordered, so pretty good.